Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make McCain style potato cheese shots, which will be very yummy and cheesy and is a great recipe for evening snacks. So let's get started with the cooking process. So as you can see, I have taken here 3 large potatoes which I have boiled. Next, take a bowl and with the help of a grater with large holes, we'll grate the boiled potatoes one by one. In this way, we will grate all the 3 boiled potatoes. So grating is done. Next, I am going to add some seasonings like 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt for seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is Amul cheese spread which has a garlic flavor. Going to add 1 tablespoon of it. Next goes some grated cheese. I am using here processed cheese. Now with the help of a spoon, give everything a good mix so that all the ingredients combines well with the mashed potato. So mixing is done and now I'm going to keep this potato mixture in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. After half an hour, the potato mixture is chilled and now we are going to give shape. To make cheesy, I am going to use mozzarella cheese which I have cut into small cubes like this. Next, take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of refined flour. For seasoning, add some salt, black pepper powder and some paprika powder as per taste. Now add some water gradually. Give this a good mix with the help of a spoon. Add water as required to form a smooth and slightly thick consistency like this. For coating, you will also need some breadcrumbs to which I'll be adding some salt, pepper powder and some paprika powder for seasoning. Give this also a good mix. Our coating is ready. Now apply some oil on the palm of your hands. Take a small amount of the potato mixture. Then place a mozzarella cube in the center. And now roll the mixture well so that it covers the cheese cube. And now we will give the shape of McCain's potato shots like this. Similarly, I will prepare some more potato shots the same way. This is ready. So I have finished giving shapes to my potato shots. Next, take one shot and coat with the breadcrumbs from all these sides so that the potato shots doesn't break when we fry them. Now dip in the batter well. And again we will coat the shots with the breadcrumbs for the second time. This will make the shots crispy from outside. So in this way we need to coat the shots. Shake off the excess. In the same way I will coat all the remaining potato shots. So coating of the potato shots is also done. You can prepare the shots in this way in advance and store in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. This will remain fresh for at least 3 to 4 days. And now time to deep fry our cheesy potato shots. I have already heated sufficient oil to deep fry the shots, and when the oil is hot enough, we need to place very gently the shots one by one into the hot oil. Keep the flame on medium. Flip the sides. And we need to fry the shots until they are deep golden brown from both the sides. I'll take off the shots which are fried deep golden brown and arrange them in a serving plate. And here goes my McCain style potato cheese shots. Very cheesy inside and crispy outside. It's best to enjoy them hot with some dip. So I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy with your family. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.